what's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick review of my two brothers Black Series exhaust for the Kawasaki Ninja 300. What comes with the package, the whole exhaust system, this little, say, little pipe. It also comes with these screws right here, and this little screw for the peg that holds the bracket for the exhaust. It also comes with this little bracket, pipe, and these little hinges right here. And also this little bracket that holds the exhaust. I like it. I just got it like yesterday, and it's really, I was gonna say, really clean. Yeah, it sounds really clean. It has a deep sound to it. It doesn't sound the same over camera, but it sounds really clean. I got a really good deal on this slip-on for the Ninja 300, and let's listen to it.